Hi, my name is Clarice Lamb. I'm the chef and founder of the Baking Bean in New York City, and I'm going to show you how to make some cayenne pepper and cheese pastry twists. So, first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I've already got that going back here. Now I've got my sheet of puff pastry. I like to make my own, but you're more than welcome, and it's probably much easier if you actually go to the store. It's readily available in your frozen food section, and just go ahead and buy a pack of puff pastry. I'm just going to dust my cutting board right here with some flour to make it easier for me to roll this out. So I'm rolling the dough just a little bit because you want it to be pretty thin. I'm going to say about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So I'm rolling the dough just a little bit because you want it to be pretty thin. I'm going to say about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Take your big fat knife and you're going to cut some strips. So I will say maybe like a 1/2 inch in thickness. Now that they're all cut, I'm going to sort of put them back together. So this is just an egg with a little bit of water, and I mixed it up. And I've got my fancy silicone brush. You're fine to use whatever horsehair, your own hair, whatever brush you have. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this whole thing, all of the strips, with egg wash. You need something for all your delicious cheese and cayenne pepper to stick to. I have here some cayenne pepper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust it all over the place. You know, put more if you like it spicier, less if you don't want it as spicy. You can even use paprika if you just want it to be more of like a smoky flavor. That's fine too. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on this, just because it's gonna make it taste nicer. Salt makes everything taste better, that and butter and chocolate and bacon. I'm gonna sprinkle all this yummy cheese onto my individually and just twist it like that. You got a nice little cheesy straw. And picking up the next guy, twisting. Then this guy goes in the oven. So I'm gonna say maybe about 10 minutes, 350 degrees. I've just taken these cayenne pepper and cheese pastry straws or pastry twists out of the oven. They're nice and hot and yummy smelling, and all I'm gonna do is just transfer them to a plate. If you have hands of iron like me, you can just take it straight away because you don't feel anything in your fingers anymore. So I'm just gonna place all of these lovely pastry straws, pastry twists, onto this platter, and you've got a lovely appetizer or a lovely munchies, a lovely snack for you and your guests. This is how to make cayenne pepper and cheese pastry twists. My name is Clarice Lamb from the Baking Bean in New York City, and happy munching to you and to me. Yum, 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 yum.